Mwaniaji wa kiti cha ugavana katika kaunti ya Kisii Bwana Ezekiel Machogu pamoja na mwaniaji mwenza Migosi Ogamba leo hii waliweza kufikishwa katika tume ya Iebc ambapo waliweza kuidhinishwa rasmi na tume hiyo. Vilevile Ezekiel Machogu aliweza kukashifu tuhuma za fujo ambazo ziliweza kuonekana siku hii ya leo, ambapo vijana ambao walikuwa wamevalia shati ambazo zilikuwa zimechapishwa na logo ya chama cha UDA pamoja na picha zao waliweza kupatikana pamoja na panga katika mji wa Kisii.
Thank you very much, members of the fourth estate, members of the media. What I want to tell you is that I want to thank the returning officer, the county officer, for the very professional manner in which he has been able to handle this particular assignment, and it has gone on very, very well. We are now formally and officially formally nominated as the UDA Gubernatorial candidate Machogu and Abagusii. And one thing I want to make clear is that we are maintaining peace. We are not people who are prone to violence. Each and every time we have campaigned, ever since the time we started, you have not heard of any single incident from Machogu, from Abagusii, or from the UDA team. I have seen something that has appeared in the media, and I want to be very categorical in this, that the security personnel should not be able to handle issues in a very simplistic manner, in a manner which clearly indicates that they are actually biased. I serve as a district commissioner and the chairman of the security team for many years, and I know what is supposed to be done and the way in which people can be able to camouflage and disguise themselves. The way somebody now goes with a t-shirt, he can be able to make Machogu's t-shirt. He can be able to make Machogu's poster and then come out as a supporter of Machogu. But anybody posing as a supporter of Machogu is always miserable.